And on that note about Hakbang, it really resonated. Your song Hakbang really resonated with fans at the showcase last 2 weeks ago sa isang mall sa QC. What does that theme of taking that first step, big step, mean to each of you now?
Mm, I mean, taking the first step or, any step kung nasan man tayo ng point in life is sobrang importante because that's how we know that, we're still capable of doing things and, papalapit tayo sa kung ano talaga yung gusto natin. So, that event that we held this month sa mall na showcase is sobrang laking step because, we get to show our first album and happy kami na maraming tao din yung sumuporta sa amin.
Tsaka I think na everything is big risk. Pero sa amin kasi parang wala kaming pake sa gaano man kahirap na i-risk yung bagay na yun. Kasi alam lang namin sa sarili namin na gusto namin ipakilala yung Riot.
And also sa risk na ginagawa po kasi namin, always namin iniisip na sa risk na to, merong magandang resulta.
Yeah.
Kung hindi man ang maging resulta ay maganda, may matututunan kami. Yeah.
Mm.
Sabi nga nila na experience is the best teacher.
Yeah.
And